Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Determined Gardener. How are you doing today? It is a Memorial Day weekend and I'm so excited. I went to Lowe's and picked up some bubblegum Supertunias. I am so excited about planting them in my garden. This is the first time I'm going to be doing it. So we can see right now it is a bit leggy, but hopefully I will be trimming them and they will be wonderful and nicely filled out. So let's get to it. So right now I'm digging a hole. I'm going to dig it deep enough and I'm going to be planting the Supertunia Bubblegum Vista right behind this coneflower that hasn't blossomed yet. And what I'm doing is putting the dirt in a bucket so I can easily put it back in. What I'm going to do is try to fit it in here and see if it fits nicely. Okay, that looks nice. It's big enough, deep enough. And what I think I'm going to do is just lay it out and see what it looks like first. Space it out like so. Move this one. Okay, so right now I'm using 3 of them. Hopefully they will fill out. What I'm going to do afterwards is put some biotone in the hole, and I will also water, and then also a little later I will be fertilizing them to give them a jump start. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using: organic biotone starter by Espoma. It's a starter plant food. I'm just going to put about maybe a handful, a scoop of it inside the hole, and hopefully it will give it a jump start. You can see really nice healthy roots all throughout the soil and the plant. So this plant right here is going to be growing very nicely. Nice healthy roots. So I'm going to put a little biotone in here. Okay, that is, you can see it's still not deep enough. So I'm going to go a little bit deeper. Put in the biotone, just a smidge. I'm going to mix it up a bit. Put it in like so. Fits perfectly. Okay, I'm going to give you a shot of the roots again. Nice dark soil for the Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. Pack this in. Okay, that's good. We got the other one right here. Fill this hole. And guys, if you want to, you can let the roots out a little bit, and I'll show you how to do that. It doesn't really matter, but you could just take it and move the roots around a little bit. That way it will spread a little, the roots will spread a little faster in the ground. So this is what I'm going to be using. Miracle Grow all-purpose plant food. Grows bigger, more beautiful plants. I'm going to use this on the bubblegum Supertunias because from what I understand, they need to be fertilized to grow a lot and have that big mound. So I'm going to use this. What I'm going to do is just use what it comes in a little cup, and this is for 2 gallons. This side is for 1 gallon. Okay, perfect. Going to use the water. And that Miracle Grow, it turns it a slight blue. Okay, we're getting a wonderful drink. And now I'm going to press it down a little bit. Press this down. And press this down. Okay, and I'm going to give it last watering. Again, don't water on top, water the soil, not the plants. Okay, the hazards of gardening. I love it anyway. I usually don't wear gloves, but it's really not a problem for me because I love touching the soil. It makes me happy. But again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Again, this is the first time I've planted Supertunia Vista Bubblegum. So I'm very excited to see what they do. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so, I will give you an updated video to show you what they're doing and how they are growing. I will continue to use the fertilizer Miracle Grow once a week to see how it's going. What I understand is that you're supposed to use it at least once a week to get it to have that wonderful big blooming mound. So we'll see. So I will update you as soon as I can. But again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Thank all of you subscribers, all you new subscribers, for subscribing to my video. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Until next time, bye-bye everyone.